Hello,
Hi.
Rob. How are you doing?
Good. How are you doing?
I'm all right. So, can you explain to me why the tent reef project started?
Well, it started or was created because of this project that we're standing on to now.
Yeah.
We wanted to build a commercial building and fisherman complex, a new one,
Okay.
bigger than what was here before. So we demolished the existing one.
Because it was smaller.
Yeah, and we wanted to create something good and big for the fishermen and also the dive shops.
Okay.
So in order to do that project, what we're seeing here now, we had to do a lot of excavation.
Yeah.
And the materials excavated is the type that you see there. It's a reddish, brownish type of material.
Yeah.
Nothing grows in it. It's just like dead material. But we had nowhere else to put the material besides close by, which is on the road, the ground road to Tent Bay. So we stored it there for a time being, but we knew that we had a danger, so to say, because of the tent reef. If waves, big waves came ashore because of hurricanes or severe storms, it would take the ground out and deposit it in the sea,
Yes.
and most probably by Tent Reef. And that would damage the reef, and then the dive place would be destroyed, and then, you know, it's a very famous dive area.
And when did you move it? When was?
That was moved in the middle part of 2017. And we kind of just moved it in time because about a month later, approximately a month later, Hurricanes Irma and Maria passed by, which took some material out, but it's a good thing that we moved majority of it, about 90% of it.
Yeah.
So the amount that went into the sea couldn't harm the dive site.
Okay, that's good. And where have you deposited it now?
We deposit at two different locations, both in Zion's Hill, the village Zion's Hill. One for part of a cemetery,
Yeah.
and the other part was moved to the airport
Okay.
to help fill up the gullies and the ditches at the airport. Yeah.
Okay. And it does not have any effect on the airport,
Nature.
on the nature.
Nature, not the airport, no. Where it's put is in a safe place.